Sendinblue Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Sendinblue and recommended alternatives are in the description. Let's dive right in. Sendinblue is an all-in-one marketing automation platform that's particularly useful for dropshippers looking to integrate email marketing, SMS campaigns, and automation into their sales process. It offers a variety of tools that help e-commerce businesses engage with their customers, boost conversions, and optimize customer journeys. Whether you're sending promotional emails, managing customer relationships, or running transactional messages, Sendinblue provides an easy-to-use solution for growing your dropshipping business. Who is it for? Sendinblue is ideal for dropshippers who want a robust marketing automation platform without the high cost or complexity of some of the bigger players. It's great for those who need to combine email campaigns with SMS marketing, transactional emails, and even live chat functionality. Key features include email campaign creation with drag-and-drop templates, SMS marketing, marketing automation workflows, A/B testing, advanced segmentation, and detailed analytics. The platform also integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, making it easy to sync customer data and automate marketing efforts. Strengths. One of Sendinblue's biggest strengths is its flexibility. It allows you to manage email marketing, SMS campaigns, and automation in one place, making it a true all-in-one solution for dropshipping businesses. The platform is easy to use, with a drag-and-drop editor that simplifies the process of creating professional emails. Automation workflows are a big win, enabling you to send personalized messages based on user behavior, such as cart abandonment or post-purchase follow-ups. Its integration with Shopify is seamless, so you can sync your store data and send targeted campaigns effortlessly. Pricing is another strength. Sendinblue offers a free plan with decent features and affordable pricing for premium plans, making it accessible to businesses of all sizes. Weaknesses? While Sendinblue is packed with features, it can become overwhelming for beginners due to its many options and settings. Some users may find the interface a bit cluttered at first. Additionally, while its email editor is user-friendly, it lacks some of the advanced design customization found in other tools. Some users also report occasional issues with deliverability, though this is a common challenge with many email marketing platforms. Final verdict: Sendinblue is an excellent choice for dropshippers looking for an affordable all-in-one marketing solution. It excels at email marketing, SMS campaigns, and automation workflows, making it a versatile tool for boosting conversions. If you're looking for a straightforward platform to manage your customer engagement, Sendinblue is definitely worth considering.